Now, SHIBADOGE have burned about 54.81% of its supply since SHIBADOGE was launched. Remember, 24th of this month, December 2022, is going to mark 1 year SHIBADOGE was launched, and on the day of launch, SHIBADOGE developer actually destroyed the bond 50% of supply. Now, SHIBADOGE started with about 420 sextillion coins, and right now we can see an increase in the burning of SHIBADOGE. 54% is amazing, and I believe if before the end of 2023, if SHIBADOGE can be burning at least 70 to 80 or 90%, then definitely the roadmap 2025, 2027, next 5 years to come, we might be seeing SHIBADOGE hitting over 1 million to 5 million or even 10 million percent increase in price. The truth is, SHIBADOGE still have about 16 zeros. It's not going to be easy. The price of SHIBADOGE will definitely increase, but I know the journey for SHIBADOGE hitting over 1 million percent is not going to be easy. But the truth is, if they can focus on the burning of SHIBADOGE token, definitely we might be seeing SHIBADOGE price pumping, SHIBADOGE price increasing gradually. Well, to me, hitting 54% already since the launch of SHIBADOGE is amazing. Within the period of 1 year, that is before the next 2 or 3 years, we might be seeing SHIBADOGE destroying almost 80 to 90% of its supply, which will end up helping SHIBADOGE price, SHIBADOGE community to really increase. The truth is, I believe SHIBADOGE still have a lot of work to do in the area of burning, and also they need to really focus on getting SHIBADOGE listed by top crypto exchanges. And if they can really do that, the price of SHIBADOGE definitely is going to hit a massive increase in price before the end of 2025. Well, burning 50% on the day of launch, and now the total burn is about 54.81%. I think that is good. That's amazing. Almost billions and trillions and sextillions of SHIBADOGE coins has been burned already. Once again, but remember that this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.